So in this video, let's create our first landing page. And if you want to create a landing page, you can click here on create campaign and then click on landing page. Or you can come here under create and then you'll click on landing page. And of course, you're going to need to give your landing page a name, and I will call mine Free Audacity Tutorial. And then of course, you'll need to choose the audience that you want to work with. So select an audience from here, because a landing page is primarily designed to collect subscribers. So it has to be connected to an audience where you want those subscribers to be sent. And then I'll click begin. So the next step, of course, you'll need to select a template for your landing page. There are three types of these templates. You can have accept payment. Now with accept payment, this is one whereby when you select it, you will have a payment block, and the payment is supported by Square. And as of now, the last time I checked, Square is only supported in 5 countries. That is UK, US, Australia, Canada, and Japan. So I'm not sure if they support any other countries. They just support the 5. You can create an account on Square and then connect that with your landing page. And then we also have a landing page whereby you can use lead generation. So this lead generation is basically whereby you'll have a landing page and then you can collect subscribers. So you can use it to grow your list. There's also another one whereby you can connect your products and you can just market your product. So if you connect your store to MailChimp, and there are various platforms that connect to MailChimp. If you have any of those platforms, then you can market your products using a landing page. So here you can see we have different templates. You can choose any template and edit it. These are templates that you can just choose and edit them immediately. All right. So let's say we choose grow your list. I will click to grow my list. So on this side, you can see we have blocks, and these are the blocks you can use to edit your template accordingly. You have the product block, and if you have your store connected to MailChimp, then you can drag in a product on this side if you want to market it on your landing page. So you're probably wondering where this logo is coming from, and there's something in MailChimp called Content Studio. So if I come and open the MailChimp dashboard on a new window, you can see we have under brand, we have something called the Content Studio. So if you come under the Content Studio, you can upload your content here and use them on your landing pages, your campaigns, automations, websites, anything that you can build on MailChimp. You can use resources that you add into your Content Studio. And if you want to have a logo that will already be added to all your templates, you can come here under my logo and you'll be able to upload your logo. If you want it to be here, just come here under my logo and upload the logo. So this is something I wanted to show you. The Content Studio is very, very important and very useful. You can add all types of files. You can add them and use them in your template. You can see you can even add products. So you can connect your store and your products will appear here. And if you want to connect your store, it's usually under, and you click on connect. And you can look at integrations. And here under integrations, you can see you have all these things that you can integrate. So let's do e-commerce. You can integrate all these different platforms. So if your store is made using any of these platforms, you can integrate it. So in the next video, let's continue with our landing page. And what we're going to do is we're going to start editing this so that it can give out a free Audacity tutorial. So I will see you in the next video.